Good morning. Thank you for calling Prime Hotel. This is Norland speaking. How may I help you? Certainly, sir. What date would you like to make your reservation?
On May 9.
And for how many nights do you intend to stay, sir?
I want to stay for 2 nights.
For how many guests, sir?
Just me.
Noted, sir. One moment. Let me just check the availability of rooms on that day. Thank you for waiting, sir. I am glad to inform you that we have 2 rooms available on that day. We have double room. It has 2 double beds, Wi-Fi, fully air conditioned, non-smoking room, telephone, cabinet, hair dryer, toiletries, and hot and cold shower. It costs 5,000 pesos per room per night. We also have executive room. It has king-size bed, Wi-Fi, fully air conditioned, non-smoking room, telephone, cabinet, hair dryer, toiletries, hot and cold shower, and complimentary breakfast and a beautiful towel. It costs 8,000 pesos per room per night. Which of these do you prefer, ma'am?
The executive room, please.
Okay, sir. Shall we proceed on the reservation process? And I'll be asking some information. May I know your full name, sir?
Please under the signature.
May I know your contact number and email address, sir?
The contact number is 0905 3531 and the email address is joyzindi@gmail.com.
Okay, sir. Your reservation is recorded. How would you like to settle your bill, sir?
Can I pay you on arrival?
Okay, sir. May I confirm your reservation? You wish to confirm your reservation under your name, Cindy Choi, with a contact number 0905-3531882. Your email address is cindychoi@gmail.com from Bukaw, Dagupan City. You are checking in on May 9, departing on May 11, staying in our executive room for 16,000 pesos. You wish to settle your bill via cash. Did I get the correct information, sir?
Yes, the detail is correct.
By the way, we will be sending a confirmation letter right after this call via email. Meanwhile, your confirmation number is 211. Is there anything else, sir?
Nothing.
Okay, sir, we would like to inform you that our check-in time is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and our check-out time will be 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you for choosing Prime Hotel for our accommodation needs. We wish to see you on May 9.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, Prime Hotel. I would like to check in.
May I know the reservation?
Yes, I have reservation.
May I borrow your ID?
Here's my ID. I'm Cindy Choi.
Let me just take your reservation now. You have reserved an executive room with a view of lake with breakfast for 2 nights, am I right?
Yes.
Here's your ID, ma'am, and then you fill out the site by registration form, please. You can have the registration form. Upon checking, your balance is 16,000 pesos. Will you settle it now or upon checkout?
I will settle it now. Here's my payment.
Ma'am Cindy, I received 16,000 pesos. Ma'am, may I offer you some of our hotel club membership? We have the hotel wellness club which you can have relaxing spa experience such as full body and facial massage after all fun activities. It costs 2,500 pesos.
Please, I would like to avail the hotel club membership.
Ma'am, can you fill out the club membership form? Membership costs 2,500 May I have your payment, please?
I'll pay with cash as my friend.
Ma'am, I received 2,500 pesos. Ma'am, this is your club membership card. Just present this card whenever you want to avail our club services. This is your key card. Your room is located on the fourth floor on the right side of the building. Our complimentary breakfast is available at 6 to 10 a.m. in our restaurant located on the ground floor. Is there anything I can help you with?
Can someone assist me?
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Mark, our gentleman. He will assist you with your room. Thank you very much, ma'am, and for your stay.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, may I have your luggage like this?
Come.
May I get your luggage?
Okay.
Ma'am, this will be your place. How is your day, ma'am?
Everything's okay.
Great. Let me introduce you to the facility. On the right side, you see different restaurants that open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And on the left side, you see swimming pool that operates 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. On the second floor, we have gym. And on the other side, we have a spa such as full body and facial massage. You're in the background, this will be your place.
Okay.
Your number is 4. If you need assistance, please call 0 and get to the partners. Thank you for choosing Climate Ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Hello, can someone assist me? The remote of the aircon isn't functioning.
Hello, ma'am. Sure, let me just call housekeeping department to see the issue.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, housekeeping department. Can we check the room 405? The remote is of the aircon isn't functioning. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Our housekeeping department is on the way to check the issue. Thank you.
Housekeeping department. Ma'am, can I take the remote?
Yes, please come in.
Please?
Is there a remote?
Yeah, excuse me. The remote is not functioning. We're sorry for the trouble incident.
Thank you.
Hello, front desk. The issue is already solved.
Hello, ma'am. We're sorry for the inconvenience. Rest assured that this won't happen again.
No worries, thank you for assisting me.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Vandes. I'm calling to remind you that today is your checkout. Do you wish to extend your stay? Our checkout time is 12 noon. What time do you wish to check out? Ma'am, the bellman will be there exact 11:30 to assist you in your luggage. Good morning, housekeeping department. Room 405 is due to check out. Can we check the room and notify us immediately?
Yes, ma'am, I'm on my way.
Housekeeping department. Ma'am, today is your checkout. Let me just check the room before you check out.
Please stop, please stop.
Everything is okay, ma'am. You may now check out.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, this is the housekeeping department. Room 405 is due to check out.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, Raymar. Room 405 is now ready to check out. Can we assist you in your luggage, please?
Okay, ma'am. Bell service. Good morning, ma'am. Today is May 11 and the time is 11:30 and you are expected to take out the bag. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Let me assist you.
Okay, yes, please.
Before you take out, ma'am, please do one thing. Drawer, control, and password to the school.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, please allow me to double check your room so that none of your things are ready.
Okay.
Everything is clear, ma'am?
Okay, thank you.
May I have your key card, ma'am? Let me assist you with your luggage.
Okay. Yes, please.
You see, ma'am? Here is your key card, ma'am. This way to front text, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. How may I help you? I would like to check out. May I have the ticket, please? Here's the key card. Okay, ma'am, you don't have any balance. Just wait for your receipt, please.
Okay.
Is there anything else I can help you?
Can someone assist me to the exit?
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Raymar, our bellman. He assists you to the exit area. Okay. Thank you very much for staying with us. We're looking forward to seeing you again soon. Have a nice day. ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Is your luggage is ready, ma'am?
Yes.
May I have your luggage? See you. Here's your luggage, ma'am. Thank you so much for staying with Blackburn, ma'am. We are looking forward to serve you again soon. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day.